Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be trying out and making a funky look using my Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. I am so excited to use this. This is my very first palette I've ever purchased from him, and this is exactly why. It's stunning. I'm going to start off with a super light base for my eyes. I've never created a look like this, so I am pretty excited and nervous at the same time. I'm just going to prime one eye at a time because this is going to take a little while. The first shade I'm going to go in with is this purple shade called Gumdrop. The next shade I'm going in with is this pastel blue shade called Brain Freeze. The next shade I'm going in with is this nice green shade called Sour. Next shade I'm going in with is this yellow shade called Wow. Next shade I'm going in with is, the final shade I'm going in with is Bubblegum. I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting my crease right back out. Now I'm just going to take the shade Virgin, which is basically a white shade, and pack it all over the area that I just carved out. Now I'm going to take the shade Cotton Candy and pop that randomly all over that area. So now I'm just going to go ahead and do my face real fast. I'm going to use the Touch in Soap No Pore Problem Primer Essence and the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Water Foundation. I'm going to quickly set my face with the Pretty Vulgar setting powder. I'm going to bronze my face up with the Tarteist Pro Glow palette. I kind of want to do some freckles. I went in with Cotton Candy to do the pink freckles. Now I'm going to go in with Lemon Drop to do some yellow freckles. You know, let me go in with some blue freckles because the yellow is not showing up very well. Ooh, I'm obsessed with this. So I just added some lashes and mascara. Now it's time for me to choose a lippy. I'm having the hardest time to figure out what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to mix this nice bright lippy with this iridescent like holographic-y blue to purple lippy. We're going to see how this goes. Ooh, love this. I'm going to wait for it to dry, and then I will go in and top it off with the Tarte Lippy. The shade for this is Strawberry Pop, and the shade for this is Scuba Dive. Okay guys, this is the final look. How do we feel about it? Alright, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss when a video is posted. Make sure you turn on that notification bell so you are notified the second a video goes up. Make sure you follow me on all my social media where I will be dropping looks left and right on my social media, and everything else will be linked in the description down below and also at the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye guys.